Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Just Lolo. It is almost Halloween, so I am wearing this Halloween mask, and I'm going to be making Halloween slimes. So let's get started. Before I start, make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below what is your favorite holiday. Mine would probably be Easter because you get chocolate and money. So, the first slime I'm going to be making is based off of a pumpkin. So I'll start with white glue. So I have some white Elmer's glue to start off my slime base. Now I'm going to be adding some orange food coloring and some orangey pink paint. Since I want a really glossy slime, I'm going to be adding some lotion and some foaming hand wash. No shaving cream because I don't really like any shaving cream, to make it fluffy. And then I'm also going to add some clear glue to make it super extra glossy. Lastly, I'm going to add some regular soap. And now I can activate. Before you activate, you need to make sure yours is all mixed up. So I already mixed mine up, really pretty. And it just needs to be any orange color. Then you can activate. And since this is going to take a while, I'm just going to use my magical powers instead of using all that time and wasting all of it. And I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So I used my magical powers and made this amazing orange pumpkin slime. And I have a couple more things I'm going to add. So the first thing I'm going to add is these really pretty crystal balls. I'm also going to be adding these other ones. And lastly, for a charm, I have this alien charm with a little peace sign. That is also what I'm going to do. So I'll start with the beads. I'm only going to add a few. And then I'll add a bit more of the other one. And then I'll add the alien charm to top it all off. So, yeah, here is my slime. So it has this cute little alien charm in it. So yeah, that's the first slime. For storing your slime, you can just store it in a plastic bag or a container. And so now that we have finished our first slime, we can move on to the second one. Now on to the second slime. We are going to be using clear glue. And I've actually only used this glue once. It's a lot cheaper than Elmer's, and I'm pretty sure it still works the same. It's a little thinner, but that's okay. So yeah, let's just start pouring in the glue. Now I am pouring in the glue. Yeah, it's a little bit thinner than Elmer's, but that is okay. My last slime was based off of a pumpkin. And you can call it pumpkin spice or something. But this one will be based off of a witch, so it will be purple. And since it is a clear slime, I can use these coloring. And then I'm also going to add all 4 of these glitters. We have gold, silver, green, and black. And then I also have this purple glitter glue that I'm going to be adding. And so yeah, I'll be back to you when it's finished adding the glitter. Now that we are finished adding all 4 glitters, plus purple and iridescent, we can mix it together. Oh, and plus the purple food coloring. And this just makes it so pretty, and it's so satisfying to mix everything in. So when you finish mixing everything, I am just going to be adding some soap, and I'll come back to you. So like I said, I'm going to be adding some soap, not foaming, because that might change its final taste. And then I'm also going to be adding some purple metallic paint, so it will be extra pretty. And then when you finish mixing that, then you can activate your slime. So now you can start activating your slime. And basically, it's a lot of work activating our slime again, so I'm just going to use my magic powers again. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1. So here is the finished slime. And the glue is about the same quality as Elmer's, so I would definitely recommend this glue. And before I do my ASMR, just like the last slime, I have some beads to put in. And you can name this slime like witch cauldron or something with like witches or like, yeah. And so if you try out these recipes, I would definitely recommend the clear, what is the glue called again? The glue colored, I don't know, but you could basically use that glue, and it's like, the Elmer's is like $1 more, so that is much cheaper for the same amount of glue. So yeah, time for the special ASMR. So as you can see, we have pink, purple, and white pearl beads. So yeah, I would definitely recommend making these slimes for Halloween. They are so beautiful and pretty. So if you notice in the ASMR clip that I just showed, it is foggy, but it will clear up, and it's just foggy because of the bubbles, and it will clear up in a few days. Depending on the size of your slime, it will take longer if it is bigger. But so just like the last slime, I'm just storing it in a plastic baggie, but you could also store it in a container. And so yeah, here are the 2 slimes I made. The orange one, like pumpkin spice, and then the purple one with all the glitters. This one's clear, this one is white glue. And with all the glitters, and like you could call it witch cauldron or something to do with witches, and then this one's about pumpkins. So I would definitely recommend trying out these recipes. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!